साइंस क्लासेस बाय रंजीत कुमार में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आप पढ़ रहे हैं 11th क्लास फिजिक्स। इसमें हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर के बारे में। एज डिस्कस्ड अबव एवरी मेजरमेंट इन्वॉल्व एयर, यानी कि कोई भी आपका मेजरमेंट होगा तो उसमें एरर आएंगे ही। दस द रिजल्ट ऑफ मेजरमेंट शुड बी रिपोर्टेड इन वे दैट इंडिकेट द precision measurement. Normally, the result of measurement as a number that includes all digits in the number are known as the real by plus the first digit, then uncertain the reliable digit plus. The first uncertain digit are known as the significant digit and significant figure. If we say that period of oscillation, यानी कि हम लोग एक प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हैं जिसमें ऑक्सीलेशन हम लोग देख रहे हैं सिंपल पेंडुलम का, जो आ गया 1.62 सेकेंड में द डिजिट 8 and 6 and reliable and certain, while the digit 2 is the uncertain. Thus the measured value has three significant figure हो जाएंगे. The length of an object reported after measurement 287.5 centimeter has four significant figure हो गए 287 and certain, while the digit 5 is uncertain, clearly reporting the result measurement that includes more digit than significant digit as superfluous and also misleading, since it would given a wrong idea about the precaution measure. The rule of determining the number of significant figure can be understood from the फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल. जैसे सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर का मतलब यही समझा सकता है कि सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इंडिकेट एज ऑलवेज मेंशन द प्रीसियस मेजरमेंट विच डिपेंड ऑन द least count of the measuring instrument. A choice of change of different unit does not change the number of significant figure, digit or figure in measurement. This important remark make most following observation clear. For example, एक लेंथ हम लोगों ने नापा 2.308 सेंटीमीटर हैज़ फोर सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है इसमें, but in different unit the same value can be written 0.02308 meter or 23.08 mm or 23,080 mu m. All these numbers have the same number of significant figure 2308 nearby 4. This so that the location of a decimal point is no consequent in determining the number significant figure. The example given following rules. All non-zero digits are significant, यानी जो नॉन जीरो आपके डिजिट्स होंगे सब सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर होंगे. All these zero between non-zero digits are significant no matter where the decimal point is, if all at all. If the number is less than 1, the zero on the right of decimal point but to left of the first non-zero digit are known as, जैसे in 0.00 to 308 अंडरलाइन इसको जीरोज आर नॉट सिग्निफिकेंट है इसमें. द टर्मिनल और आपके ट्रेडिशनल जीरो इन नंबर विदाउट अ डेसिमल पॉइंट आर सिग्निफिकेंट. दस 123 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 12,300 सेंटीमीटर. उसी तरह से आपका हो जाएगा 1,23,000 mm. has three significant figure हैं इसके. The traditional zeros being not significant, यानी जो आपके ट्रेलिंग जो जीरो नंबर होते हैं वो सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं होते हैं. हाउएवर यू कैन ऑल्सो सी द नेक्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन. हम लोग नेक्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन देखेंगे. The trailing zero in a number which decimal point are significant कभी कभी होते हैं. जैसे नंबर हो गए 3.5.00 और 0.06900 has four significant figure. ठीक है. There can be some conclusion regarding the trailing zero. Suppose a length is supported to be 4.700 meter. Is evident that the zero here are measured to convey the precision of measurement and are therefore significant. These were not. It would be significant to light than expecting the reported measurement would be have equal 4.7 meter. Now suppose 47.00 मीटर इज इक्वल टू, इसको चेंज करेंगे सेंटीमीटर में तो 470.0 सेंटीमीटर और 4700 mm, और इसको किलोमीटर में चेंज करें तो 0.004700 किलोमीटर. सिंस द लास्ट नंबर हैज़ ट्रेलिंग जीरोज होते हैं इन नंबर विथ नो डेसिमल, कोई डेसिमल नहीं होते हैं. Trailing zeros which number no decimal, we could conclude the enormously the from observation 1 above that the number has two significant figure, while in fact it has four significant figure, and hence we and a mere change of unit charge can not change the number of significant figure. अब 3 नंबर है. टू रिमूव सच ambiguities in determining the number of significant figure, the best way is to report every measurement in scientific notification in power 10. In notation, every number is exposed in 10 to a into 10 to power b, where a is the number between 1 to 100 and b is any positive or negative exponent of 10. In order to get an approximate idea of a number, we may round off the number a to 1 from a smaller greater smaller than is equal to 5 and 10 for 5 greater than a 5 smaller than a and 10 is greater than is equal to a, then the number can be expressed approximately at as 10 to the power b, in which the exponent power b 10 is order of magnitude. The physical quantity when only estimate is required, the quantity is of the order of 10 to the power b. For example, अगर हम लोग डायमीटर अर्थ का कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो वो होता है 1.2 इंटू 10 to 28 इंटू 10 to the power 7 मीटर is on order of 10 to the power 7 with the order of magnitude 7. The diameter of the hydrogen 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter is of the order of 10 to the power minus 10 meter with the order of magnitude minus 10. Thus the diameter of the earth is 7 order of magnitude larger than hydrogen atom. In often customary to writing the decimal after the first digit, now we confusion mentioned in the above disappear. जैसे मान ली 4.700 मीटर लिखा गया है, 4.700 इंटू 10 पावर 2 सेंटीमीटर इसको लिख सकते हैं, और 4.700 इंटू 10 पावर 3 mm और 4.700 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. The power of 10 is relative to determining significant figure. How all zero appear in the base of the number in scientific notation are significant. Each number in the case has four significant figures. Thus, the scientific notation no confusion arises about the trailing zero in the base number a. They are always significant. Scientific notation is idea of repeating measurement, but if this is not adopted, we use the rule adopting previous example. For number greater than 1 without any decimal, the trailing zero are not significant. For a number with decimal, the trailing zeros are significant. 5. The digit 0 conversely put on left of the decimal a number less than 1 like 0.1250 is never significant. However, the zeros at end of such number are significant in measurement. The multiplying or dividing factors which are neither round of the number nor number repeating measurement would are exact and finite value significant digit. जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए r is equal to d by 2 or s is equal to 2 pi r. The factor 2 is exact number. It can be written as 2.0 2.00 और इसको 2.00 कितना भी दे सकते हैं इसके पीछे जीरो. Similar t in t is equal to t by n. Capital T is equal to small t by n. N is exact number. आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे रूल फॉर अरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन विथ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. आज के लिए इतना ही. इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.